Today, we're gonna go over one of the main things that I implement when my clients come to me and say, Hunter, can you improve our PPC performance? Our team has been busy. We've conducted over 60 PPC audits this quarter for a variety of brands throughout Amazon, and we have found a very common occurrence. Get a pen and paper and start taking notes so you can implement our strategies into your business and start scaling today. Welcome back to today's video. Almost 80% of our clients are not optimizing their content correctly. And in doing so, they are not fully leveraging Amazon's algorithm to get them the most sales possible. In order to do this, we need to make sure that we are doing our proper keyword research. We are paying attention to the keywords that we're using and properly structuring campaigns that are gonna yield us the highest results. Let's jump right in and I will show you step by step how we go through and optimize our listings for success. Let's dive right in. If you don't already have Data Dive, they're one of our partners and we'll provide a link down below where you will get a special offer for signing up. If you already have it, awesome, because it has been a game-changing software to help us scale our clients to new heights. First step you wanna do is do a dive for the products that you wanna improve the SEO for. Let's say you're in the catnip niche. You're gonna wanna go over and add a number of different ASINs into the ASIN tray. Now what this is doing is telling Data Dive what products we want to analyze the keywords for. And these keywords are going to be very valuable since they represent the keywords that are already in the niche where other sellers are getting their sales from. So when you go ahead and click the Data Dive Chrome extension, you're gonna see that these products have been added here in the ASIN tray. Let's create a new niche, and that's gonna be the catnip niche. As soon as you click Dive, it's gonna start extracting all these keywords, and you're gonna be presented with a master keyword list, which looks like this. This is all the keywords, along with the search volume and relevancy based on how many other competitors are ranking for it, showing you which ones are valuable to your product, assuming it's the catnip. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is start cleaning up this list. We're gonna wanna remove any irrelevant search terms and make sure that the keyword list is correctly optimized. Once this is cleaned up, we're gonna wanna go over to the outliers and start seeing, is there any additional different keywords that were initially missed in the master keyword list based on the settings here? I'm gonna go ahead and do catnip toys for indoor cats because I believe these would be good keywords to target for PPC. Let's look at cat stocking stuffers. Christmas is coming up, so this one here could be a good one to target in preparation for launching the PPC campaign for Q4. Let's go ahead and click on that. Once I've gone through this and added them all, I'm gonna go ahead and click on to include to master keyword list. Now the reason why I'm adding it to the master keyword list is because everything else we do to launch this PPC campaign is gonna be pulling information from the master keyword list. That's why it's vital that step one, you clean up the keyword list. Let's jump into the second step. We're gonna wanna tell Data Dive that our master keyword list is ready for the PPC creation. So we're gonna wanna go into the PPC keywords here, and we're gonna wanna import MKL. Once the master keyword list keywords have been imported here, you can see we have 79. We're gonna wanna go to the PPC campaigns for launch. Now this is fantastic for people who are launching. This is the first step you wanna do for an actual PPC performance through SEO. We optimize the SEO in the master keyword list by cleaning up all the keywords. Now we're gonna wanna go ahead and set up the PPC campaign. For the first step, we wanna tell Data Dive, hey, what are the root keywords? And what are the keywords with 2 or more keywords that our customers are typing on Amazon to buy the product, i.e. long tail keywords? So the first one is catnip. I can see here catnip cat, and then let's see what else. Looks like catnip organic. There's one again. 2 or more keywords are what you're looking for. Now, just to educate you a bit on this, catnip is a root and it's contained in the other 4 keywords, which means whenever you get a sale for catnip, you're also going to be increasing in rank for not only catnip, but for the other 4 keywords. That's why root keywords are very important for you. And you want to increase the PPC on the roots because one sale, although your ACoS might not be great for just catnip, you also have to keep in mind that you can and will be ranking for every single sale on the other keywords as well, which means you can also get more sales for them. Step 2, we're gonna wanna go through and enter the general parameters. You'll enter your SKU, the start date of the campaign, and whatever you want your default group to bid, and whatever you want your default bid to be for advertisement and max keyword bid. If you're launching, definitely recommend being a little bit more aggressive. Depending on your budget, you can decide what those numbers are. Now, this can be very important. How are we wanting Data Dive to quickly and efficiently group these keywords per campaign? That's what this says here by default. I do not want to group keywords in a campaign with more than 10x the search volume of other keywords. If you have a keyword that has 1,000 search volume, 9,000 search volume, and 25,000 search volume, the 1,000 and 9,000 volume search keyword will be in the same campaign, and the 25,000 search volume keyword will be in the other campaign. What we're saying here is how many keywords do we want max per campaign? I'm saying I don't want it to be more than 8 keywords per campaign. This makes each campaign very manageable. Now next, what we're saying saying here is the total daily budget for all the campaigns. So whatever your budget is, go ahead and enter this here and how much you want to spend minimum per campaign and how much per campaign you want to assign your daily budget. Now in the third step, now that we've done all that, we can go down here. And now that all we're doing is reviewing the campaigns that Data Dive has automatically created based off our master keyword list. Now we can review the campaigns that Data Dive has already created for us based on the master keyword list. And again, it is grouping based on the rules that we've educated it on. So we can see here this cat treat one, the cat treat 509,000 search volume, because that's so much more than the other ones here. It's in his own campaign. So this way, when it starts running for PPC, it's not gonna suck all the campaign budget from other keywords. As we scroll down, we can preview these campaigns that have automatically been created. If we're happy with it, we can select the PPC account campaign portfolio and send campaigns to Amazon. Boom, the PPC campaign is running, and you should be 4xing your PPC performance with this nicely organized campaign that we've built here. If you want to expand onto that and increase your PPC performance, you can utilize the PPC campaigns tab here. Now, what we're wanting to be able to do is very quickly and easily be able to target even more exact match campaigns. And just to clarify, PPC campaigns for launch is exact match. PPC campaigns is where we can further expand on exact matching, product targeting, doing phrase campaigns, broad match campaigns, and auto campaigns. Product campaigns, since we've already done the exact match in the PPC campaign for launch, I'm gonna go ahead and skip over to the product campaigns. Now here again, we were saying don't combine those whose search volume is more than 10x of each other. As you can see, different ASINs here. Again, different numbers of search volume based on page one, based on the keywords they are indexed for. So I'm gonna leave this as 5. I will turn this max products per campaign onto 5, and then the campaign start date. Select that, any other details you want here, including your bidding strategy there. Once ready, if you import this product targeting into the PPC campaign to Amazon, search PPC account, campaign portfolio, send to Amazon, boom, you have neatly organized campaigns that are now running against the ASINs. Next phrase. This allows you to very quickly organize and create campaigns to improve your PPC on Amazon. With the phrase, we're gonna be able to go ahead and do the same. Again, different sellers like to organize their campaigns differently. Day to day, this is gonna save you so many hours by creating the campaigns for you based on the settings you send here. You'll be able to do the same thing for phrase, broad, and auto. This is how you can 4x your PPC performance through these SEO tips. Again, if you don't have Data Dive, there's a link down in the bio. They were kind enough to partner with us and help support this channel. In addition, if you're ready to take your brand to new heights, I'm Hunter Harris, the founder here at GigaBrain. We can create for you an actionable strategy that you can implement into your brand today to increase your performance. And the link below, you can book a time on my calendar to meet with me, and in a 30-minute meeting, I will discuss an actionable step-by-step strategy that can take your brand to the next level. Even if you're already an established seller, sometimes you can get siloed in your old ways, which is exactly what one of my clients said to me before.
Hi, my name is Travis Killian. I'm a 9-figure Amazon seller. We have a tendency to get siloed in what we know that work based on the past instead of being open-minded and seeing other ways of doing it. So I've been really happy with this partnership with Hunter. He's done a great job. And if you're on the fence, I say just give him a shot. Tell him what you're looking for, give him some really good goals to hit, and let him run.
Book a time in the bio down below. I look forward to continuing to create content and deliver you value weekly. If you haven't, give this a like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.